So, I don't know who the guy is. I don't know what's going on. Dakota bus driver called in and said he was jumping in front of traffic. I went out and tried to talk to him, and he's like, "Fuck you, pig." Started walking. I was like, "Hey, as long as you stay on the sidewalk." And I saw him pick up a hubcap off the side of the road and throw it in a car. And
Columbus Police Tech 120.
Yeah, this is Steve with Central Ohio Transit Authority. How are you?
Good, thanks.
Hey, I have reports of a African-American male with no shoes, wearing jeans, and a brown-colored Champion, it says Champion across the front hoodie, in the area of Sullivan and Clarendon, that keeps throwing himself and falling out into the street in front of vehicles and things like that. Sounds like possible 16B. Yeah, it's like there's a corner store right there, and it keeps running out like where coaches have had to maneuver and cars have had some close calls with him. They're saying he's there by the corner store and just kind of in that area, walking around, just jumping out in front of vehicles, things like that.
Okay. All right, get somebody out there.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
102.
Hi.
oh, how you doing, brother?
Code 2, roommate dispute. You can close on that.
Some people called about you, man. What you out here doing? Okay. Were you in the road? People were worried that you were going to hurt yourself.
Exactly.
Why would... Well, come here and talk to me for a moment.
Oh, I really know what I'm talking about.
Where, are you going to go home? Are you going to stay out of the street? No?
Oh, no, not you, man, bro. That's what hurt.
Yeah, it's me. Go and put that stuff down. Do me a favor, put your hands behind your back. Just put them behind your back. I'll give you a fist bump. All right, put your palms together like you're praying. Like this? Like this. Thank you. What's going on with you, bro?
Oh, shit. You up, bro? Again, bro?
This is the easy way. What's going on with you, man? Something's wrong. Tell me what's going on. I just saw you throw some stuff out on the road, like at cars. Why would you do that? Is it mental illness? Is it drugs?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you been taking your meds like you're supposed to?
No.
All right.
Get these handcuffs off me, bro.
I'm not going to do that.
Where are you going to take me?
I'll take you to a hospital.
No.
You're not taking your meds like you're supposed to, right?
No.
Okay, you need to get some treatment then.
No.
You got money and stuff in that bag? We'll take it with you. There is money. I can see it.
No.
It's your
Don't
money.
get him on me, bro. No.
It's your money.
Never.
All right. Do you carry weapons or anything, man?
Yeah.
What kind of weapons do you carry? I'm not going to take you out of the cuffs. Why are you wet?
I don't know.
What's your name, man? I know.
Do you know?
I don't.
Who cares?
Well, I need to know your name.
Exactly. For what, though?
Because I'm going to take a report saying that I spoke to you and that I took you to get some help.
Who called? You said who called you, man?
A Coda bus driver called me.
Put it in there. Give it to me. I'm going to get
We'll take it all with us.
I'm going right to the house.
Well, you're going to go to my car. We're gonna go to the other
car
side.
is.
My car right in the middle of the road. It's my cruiser. You're gonna go to my police cruiser.
That's not me.
What is it then? My Explorer? Well, we have to go to my car.
I don't know what that is.
Well,
car,
sometimes I get screwed up, but
bro, you suck.
I do. I get that a lot, actually. I'm gonna put this on top while I put you in the back seat.
I do not want to do this.
You have to. You're acting crazy, man.
Shoot her.
Come on. Let's go this way.
I'm going, yeah.
No, you're gonna go get my car. We got to. I gotta do this for your safety, okay, bud? Yep. Walk over here. What'd you take today? Here, come on, there's no cars.
Damn, bro.
Come with me. What'd you take today? It's got you acting crazy. Did you take some?
Bro, I'm not going anywhere, bro.
Yeah, I need you to.
Damn, bro.
That's the rule. Go ahead and hop in. I appreciate you, man. Go ahead and step in. You can't be throwing stuff at cars. Look, the alarm's going off. You need to get in so the alarm will stop. Okay? Go ahead and hop in the car, and I'll take you to the hospital. I'll take all your money and all your food with you, okay?
Oh, no, I don't know.
I need you to get in the car.
That's not a car.
Well, get in the back seat. Just get in the back seat. You're gonna walk into my back seat.
No, I'm going to do better.
Come on. Come on.
Either way, bro, I'm not going anywhere.
You'll get in the car. Here, turn around this way, and then sit down.
Never.
And get in the
I'm
car.
going to stand up top of
I'm
the
gonna shut the door. You are. I'll take it. What hospital do you normally go to when you're acting out? You like to go to OSU, Riverside?
Neither. I don't like
Doctor's
them.
West?
No.
Mount Carmel?
Neither.
Go ahead and get in the car, bub. I need you to get in the
Literally,
car.
I don't want to go to no hospital.
I know you don't want to, but you have to.
Never.
Yeah, go and get in. Come on, man.
Who knows,
Get in
bro?
the car. Put your feet in for me. Come on, your stuff's on the front of my car. I need to get it before someone steals it.
I'll go in.
Thank you. You got it? Can you pick up your feet and put them in?
Someone helping you, bro. But you're still-
How can I help you? This?
My seat.
Come on, let's get in. Get in the car. I need your feet inside so I can shut this door. And
I would do that.
I don't want to get hit by a car, okay?
I'll do that.
And I got to buckle the seatbelt because there's an alarm going. I got a lot of things to do, man. I'm a busy guy. I appreciate you. I've talked to you before. I just can't think of your name. I'm going to get your stuff, and I'm going to sit up front and talk to you. I got your stuff here so it's safe, all right? All right, let's get out of the road. What's got you acting crazy today, man? Can you tell me that? We're just gonna stop right here. $190.
$190.
I have the mail here. It's white thorn and salt. I'm just having some kind of 16B issue. I'm okay though.
Okay, copy.
664. What were the numbers on Forest Creek?
What's your name, buddy?
Forest Creek's gonna be 9.
You know your social? I need some help, man. Is your name in your bag here? Would you rather talk to an ambulance? Why aren't you talking to me, man? Hey, Bob. What hospital do you like to go to?
A few moments later.
190 is there, man.
Do you mind going there real quick?
one idea. I'm heading out to the doctor's. I'm going to need security to meet me out at the cruiser if possible. You want me to call Comrie and see?
No, I'll do it. What's your ETA? Just was holding the air in case that went sideways.
Probably 10 minutes.
Combative.
He's okay in the back of the car, but I'll need someone to help me get him out of the car when I get there.
Okay, no problem.
When's the last time you came to a doctor's hospital? What's up, guys? So, I don't know who the guy is. I don't know what's going on. He, Dakota bus driver called in and said he was jumping in front of traffic. I went out and tried to talk to him, and he's like, "Fuck you, pig." Just started walking. I was like, "Hey, as long as you stay on the sidewalk." And I saw him pick up a hubcap off the side of the road and throw it in a car. And I went up to him, and I drove up. I was like, "Dude, put your hand behind." He was compliant, hands behind his back and everything. It took some effort to get him in the car. There was nobody that could come help me, so I had to do it myself. I just didn't want to have to try to pull him out by myself when I got here. So he's not telling me his name or anything. He's laughing and giggling back here like he's talking to somebody. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Door's unlocked. I'll hold this. He's seatbelted. All right. He said his name was Samuel Davis. I can't hear.
That ain't not you. Alright, hop on out. Can I help? I'm gonna pick up the kitty, bro. Bro, you look just like me, bro. Bro, you got a scar on your face just like me, bro. Oh, that? It's hard, though. Watch out, car.
We're gonna go inside now.
Can I pick up the key? Not yet. No. We'll get picked up for you. No, I will. Guarantee I'll pick up. Come on first. Well, it's that on first. Let's pick them forward.
But you grab your pants so they don't fall down.
Yeah. You know one of them.
They couldn't wait to get away from your fast enough, could they?
Okay. Oh, shit, man.
No, we're not doing that. His eyes lit up when I talked about meth, so that might be what he's on. Does that sound right?
I'll see you right here, bud.
They brought you a throne.
Yep. Alright. Ready?
A ride fit for a king, my friend. Oh man, I didn't realize like we had underwear down too.
Yeah.
No.
Start, bud. Come on. Straight up first. There we go. Straight back. Perfect. Swing your feet around. Bring your arms behind your back one more. Feel that there. You're stuck under your leg. There you go. There you go. All right. Swing your feet around the front.
They got a spot for your feet there, man.
All right. Well. Here we go. All right. 23, right?
You mind locking the car for me? Just because if I let go of this, I'm going to lose pennies.